Welcome back to Small Crawls. Today we're going to be replacing these guys, which I have on my blue Gladiator here, with some Power Hobby brass wheels and Power Hobby Trail Warriors. So when you order these wheels from Power Hobby, you get 4 of these. They are, you got 1, 2, 3-piece. They're 3-piece brass wheels. You got your center ring here and then the 2 faces. 8 screws in the back, so you don't have to fuss around with nothing on the face. This is your bag of hardware you get with some brass wheel nuts. I believe they're 4mm. If you order tires, be careful, because most sets only come as a set of 2, not 4. I know Enjoyer come as a set of 4, and I think everywhere else come as a set of 2 if you order tires, so gotta make sure you get more than one set. Alright, got 3 of these bad boys done. Figured I'd show you how they go together. We got 2 screws in the back from the factory. The rest come in the baggie. Your back plate, your face of your wheel, plus the hub and the ring. In case any of you are wondering how sticky they were, these stupid tires. Too funny. But anywho, work it a little bit, get that cell breaking down. I don't know, I like to do that. Take your ring. If you're OCD, face it whichever way the face of your wheel is going to be facing. I use a little spit lube. Work it inside. Careful not to tear your beads. It's very important for bead locks. Okay, work that ring in there just a hair. Figure out which way your tread needs to go. It's going to be going like that. So I'm going to have my face of my wheel here. Again, a little bit of spit lube or water. If you have a little spray bottle, that would work too. You just don't want the moisture to get trapped. Unless you're also, you could vent these by drilling. Since it's brass, it's super soft, but I also like to work the wheel just a little bit. Get that bead to really set. So you got a little bit of play in there. Flip her over. Once again, a little lube. Try to line these holes here the best you can up with the holes in there. Like so. And press and work. Oops, that worked though. Okay, so we're off just a hair. You can twist before you press down. Got them lined up. Sorry for going out of focus. Got them lined up. Set that down for a second. Grab your trusty tool. Put it through the hole. And gotta align it just a little bit more. There we go. Press and screw in. Make sure there's no deformity on the face or anything like that. And then I usually do this screw, 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 and this screw, and then tighten in a circle. We are replacing these Enjoy rock sliders with some flubber stuffers. I do like these, but for my use, I can't have anything where these two screws are. My ESC wouldn't stick and so forth. Other than that, they seem to work out alright. Did their purpose. But for my application, I'm going to be putting my ESC and receiver on each side of my Jeep. And that is the bad Gladdy with the Power Hobby brass wheels and Power Hobby Trail Warrior tires. Looks like I gotta do some trimming. Gotta do some sanding. Dang it. Was really hoping I didn't have to do that. But under the hood, we have a Mofo slow motion pancake. And man, this thing is torquey. Holy smokes, is it torquey. To install and uninstall, just these two screws here. They go into your transmission tray. Alright, back with the bad Gladdy. ESC's installed, receivers installed, and the slick sliders from Flubber Stuffers are installed. And that sweet, sweet Mofo slow motion pancake. Yo, what's going on, guys? Man, look at that motor shot. So cool. It's not slowed down or nothing. I'm messing around with the GoPro here. Probably gonna stick with my phone. The GoPro I have ain't the coolest. But wanted to give a huge shout out to Josh over at Texoma RC. Man, he is a cool cat. If you guys haven't checked him out, definitely head over to his channel at Texoma RC. I'll have it linked in the description. Man, show him some love, please, 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 please. ORRC16, shout out to you as well, man or woman. I appreciate you. This is Small Crawls. Have a good one.